Okay, now we're going to take a look at how to replace a max tile, a modular floor tile. If for some reason one of them becomes damaged and we want to replace that tile, you're going to need to work from an edge and peel back a row till you get to the tile that you need, and we'll show you how to do that. So when you installed your tiles, you have tabs on one side and loops on the other. If you can see these loops on the edges here, that's going to go underneath, and the tabs are going to snap down over top of it. So if you know which direction your tiles were laid, you know which corner you started, and you're going to want to start on the side that is the most recently laid, so that you're pulling the tab out of the loop. In this case, we want to remove a center tile, and so I'm going to start to that side of it. And the nice thing about these max tiles is they can peel back in rows really easily. You set that tile off, then you can do the same thing with the tile that you want to remove. It comes right out. To replace it, slide the tab underneath the loops, and then fit that back into place. And you just step on the edges, tiles go back in, then you can bring that same row that you removed earlier and lay that back into place. And you've got a nicely replaced tile for your floor.